Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome back to TechScrew TV. New project. We're at my steel mate's house, Mick, who helped me with Hall of Justice. He's the man of steel, really. So this is really a project for Superman, the man of steel. So he's building a bungalow out the back, and I'm doing the roof on it, and I'm also cladding the outside. So it's a bit of mucking around, bit of stuffing around with this type of cladding, but the end result's really good. It's much better than normal corrugated cladding. So I'll time lapse this one. I'll also just show you exactly what I've done so far. So the method I'm using is corrugated wall sheets on the walls, horizontal, but instead of putting a corner piece over the top, I'm putting a moulded flashing in first with a 30mm rebate, and where it meets the other wall, it's the same type of flashing, custom made. I've left the plastic on. I'll take that off now. Same type of profile around the windows. So these sheets are measured precisely to the millimetre. Here's the measurements. Colour is basalt. Measured the sheets exactly to the millimetre and had to source a supplier who could be bothered to cut them exactly to the millimetre. And the sheets will butt in there. So it's a lot of mucking around. You have to be really precise with your measurements. And we'll see how we go. Alrighty, so almost finished this wall. It's worked out quite well in the corner. Old Superman Mick doesn't want any cobwebs building up in the corner, so he wants a really neat finish. And that's what he's got. Same thing where it butts up against the windows. We've got to come up with a flashing idea underneath the windows and above the window. I've measured that up, that should be pretty straightforward. But otherwise, capping goes across the top. Otherwise, this has turned out really well. Not easy to do. We'll have a look at the front. Wow. So it's a work in progress, but it really picture frames the wall, gives it a really good finish. So it's a good way of doing the cladding. It takes a bit of time and effort. Oh, thanks for watching the Superman project, guys. Alright, so we're back at the Superman residence. A couple of days later. The window trims are on, the top flashing up there is on. Windows look good. It's about as good as they're going to get. Could put a trim along the bottom of the window, but it is watertight like that. It's just a really good way of doing the walls. I'll show you the fronts. That window's on, let's have a look at the front. So that capping along there It's the same colour as all the new gutter that goes down that way. It's the same colour as the inside of the window there. So I've just gone along and put the new flashing above the window. So that is the Superman residence. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like it, or even if you don't like it, you could subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, positive or constructive, whatever floats your boat. Thanks guys.